back to my channel. So since Valentine's Day is coming up, I thought I would show y'all a really nice Valentine's Day inspired hair tutorial. So basically I started off with blow dried hair and then I got this look, and it's really cute and nice and soft and just perfect for Valentine's Day. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm just starting off with freshly washed and blow dried hair. The products I use to blow dry my hair is the Tresemme Heat Protecting Spray and the Marc Anthony Blow Dry Smoothing Cream. And before I'm splitting my hair into 4 sections, and before applying any heat, I'm putting on some argan oil to each section. And then I'm using a straightener to kind of go over my roots on each section before I use the Conair U-Curl curling wand. And I really love this curling wand because I like the barrel, how it goes from like a thicker barrel to a skinny at the end, and it kind of gives that waterfall curl look. So yeah, I'm using medium-sized sections and just going over the roots only with my straightener, and then going over the rest of my hair with the curling wand. And this style is like super simple, super quick and easy for me to do. It only takes me about like 25 to 30 minutes to do my whole head. So I think this would be a cute like last minute hair idea for Valentine's Day, or for any day. Honestly, this style is for any look you're going for, but I thought this would be a really cute date night look for Valentine's Day. Also, shout out to Lush Flower Wall for providing this gorgeous flower wall backdrop for today's video. The red roses was perfect for the Valentine's Day theme that I was going for, so thank you so much for providing that. And also, if you're in the DFW area, definitely check them out. This would be a great backdrop to have at your next event, like a wedding or birthday, baby shower. So I will leave their Instagram account link below in the description box, so go ahead and check that out. Oh, and also I forgot to mention that when I'm curling my hair with this wand, I'm only letting my hair stay on the wand for about like 10 seconds before letting it fall. Okay, now I'm just going over my edges with the straightener to make sure everything is nice and smooth, and then giving my hair a quick fluff. And I actually like this style as is with the middle part, but I decided to go for a side part this time. So whatever your preference is, you know, do you. And then to finish off the look, I'm just going over my edges with some Eco Styler gel to make it look more put together. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. And also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon for my post notifications. All the products that I used today will be listed in the description box, so go ahead and check down there. I will see y'all in my next video.